Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about the warehouse module in Aasaan ERP Lite. So basically I'll take you through how to add a new warehouse, then how to maintain your stocks for that certain warehouse, and how to perform inventory operation for the certain warehouse, everything. So let's dive in. First of all, you will go to the left hand menu. In inventory, you will see warehouse. So once you click on warehouse, you'll be in the warehouse module page. So here you can see all the list of warehouses you have already added previously. So first of all, let's add a new warehouse for now. We'll just click on the plus button to do so. So once the page loads, you will see a form where you have to fill certain details regarding your warehouse, like the warehouse name. So for now, I'll just write electrical equipments or something, because I am planning to keep electrical equipments in that warehouse. Then you can choose if it's enabled or no. So currently it will have to be enabled in order for us to use it. Now I'll select the mandatory fields, like it's in Delhi. And you can also give the address and stuff, but those things are not mandatory, so I'll just leave it for now and then save it. So you can see the warehouse has been saved, and if you go back to the list, you can see the warehouse has been added here over here with the details. So now we'll go to items and services and then add a item. So here we are in the items and services places page. Here we'll just add a new item. Suppose a fan, and then we'll select a group for now temporarily, and then give any item code like 55645. I'll copy this for later on so that I can search the item using the item code, and then we just submit it. So you can see it has been saved, the item has been saved. Now we'll go back to the list and you can see the fan item has been saved. Now if you go to stock balance and search for that certain item, you will see that its current stock is 0. And even if we check the warehouse filter here, like the one we just created, electrical equipments, even you can check that in that warehouse the current stock is 0. So now in order to add a new, add stock for that certain item, you can directly do it from the ledger. You just have to go into the ledger page, or you can just click on the plus button. It will direct you to the ledger page, and then here you can click on add button, select the warehouse, and then add all the certain important details, then search the item, then like suppose 10 fans stock in. So we'll just click on submit, and you can see 10 items, 10 stock for that fan has been added. If you go back to the list, you can see in the ledger all the details, in which warehouse and how many items you added it. So if you go back to the list and just filter the warehouse, you will see the fan have 10 items now. So similarly, you can also search it like this, and with the item code, it will filter out only that certain item. And you can also do it by creating a purchase invoice. So in order to do so, we'll go to the purchase invoice. Here we'll add a purchase invoice. We'll select a new account. I suppose Crompton is the company name from whom we are buying it, and then select a date, invoice number, then the item like fan, like we're buying 50 fans from Crompton, and give a certain amount like 1000 rupees per fan. Then we simply generate it, and you can see the bill has been generated. Now you can perform inventory operation from here directly, and the stock will be added for a certain item. But first of all, you will select the warehouse to where you want to add the stock. So since we are adding it into the electrical equipments warehouse, so we'll just select it and then click on perform inventory and click on yes, I'm sure. And you can see it has been done. And if you just go back to the stock balance and search for that certain item, You can see now, previously it was 10, now it's like plus 50, so it's 60 now. Similarly, now if you want to sell it, you can just go to the sales invoice. Here you can create a sales invoice, give a name like select a date, and then select the item that we just added stock of. And suppose we'll sell, since we have 60 already, we'll just sell 20 out of it. And then since we bought it in 1000, we'll sell it in like 1500 or something, and then generate. And you can see the bill has been generated, and here from here you can perform inventory operation directly. You have to similarly select the warehouse, and then click on perform inventory, then yes, submit. And you can see the inventory operation has been successfully completed. Now if you go back to the stock balance section, here you can search it again, and you will see 20 from 60 has been deducted. So you can also check every warehouse details here from here directly using the filters, like which warehouse has how many items. Like if I select Aasaan warehouse, you can see the fan have 0 items in that warehouse. So if we select electrical equipments, you can see fan have like 40 remaining in that certain warehouse. So that's how you can maintain your warehouses. And I hope you understood all the things that I was trying to explain. If there is any confusion or any doubts, please write it down in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching.